Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Crimson Desert game crashes startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue, black screen problem, or stuck on black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and then turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So if you are having the Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5, then use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check, or simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch the Crimson Desert game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Crimson Desert game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, then turn off enable HDCP and then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache, but make sure to back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now choose Crimson Desert and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connection. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then go ahead launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall Crimson Desert game from your PS5 and then reinstall the game and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Crimson Desert game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Crimson Desert game crashes startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.